Welcome to the Ultimate Engineering Challenge. Today we begin crafting a masterpiece, a 1:5 scale Lamborghini Revuelto, starting from a digital blueprint to reality. Precision is everything. We are using industrial-grade 3D printing to create the foundational molds for every single body panel of this legendary Italian supercar. 120 hours of continuous printing are required. Each curve and aerodynamic line must be replicated perfectly to maintain the scale's absolute accuracy. Once the raw shapes emerge, the real labor begins. Removing the supports reveals the complex geometry that makes the Revuelto a modern marvel of design. Sanding is a meditative process. We start with coarse grits and move to ultrafine paper to ensure the surface is as smooth as glass. A layer of high-build primer fills the micropores of the plastic. This step is crucial for creating the perfect master mold for our carbon fiber. The skeleton is ready. These molds will now serve as the foundation for the most exciting part of the build, the genuine carbon fiber bodywork. We use genuine 3K carbon fiber fabric. The strength to weight ratio is essential, even at this scale, to ensure the car performs like its full-size sibling. Alignment is key. The carbon weave must flow continuously across the body panels to mimic the aesthetic of a multi-million-dollar hypercar accurately. We saturate the fibers with high-performance epoxy resin. This creates a rigid, lightweight composite structure that can withstand high speeds and mechanical stress. Vacuum infusion is the gold standard. By sealing the part in a vacuum bag, we ensure there are no air bubbles trapped within the laminate. Watch as the atmospheric pressure crushes the bag, forcing the resin into every tiny crevice of the mold for a flawless, professional finish. The parts are heat cured to achieve maximum strength. This thermal cycle stabilizes the resin, ensuring the bodywork won't warp under the sun's heat. The moment of truth. Removing the bagging reveals a raw carbon surface that is already incredibly strong and surprisingly lightweight for its size. The release is perfect. Each panel comes out with the exact sharp lines and aggressive angles characteristic of the Revuelto's futuristic design language. Precision trimming is required to fit the panels together. We use diamond-tipped tools to cut through the incredibly hard carbon composite material safely. Look at that depth. The carbon fiber isn't just for show. It provides the structural integrity needed to house our functional V12 engine later. The entire body set weighs less than a few hundred grams. This weight saving is critical for the power-to-weight ratio of our miniature beast. Now we enter the heart of the project. This is one of the 12 miniature pistons that will power our scale Lamborghini Revuelto. The assembly requires steady hands and a microscope. Every clearance is measured in microns to ensure the engine can rev to high RPMs. Our engine block is CNC machined from aerospace-grade aluminum. It's designed to handle the heat and pressure of a real combustion cycle. The valve train is a work of art. These tiny valves open and close hundreds of times per second, demanding perfect timing and durability. Double overhead cams control the rhythm. This V12 configuration is the soul of Lamborghini, and we are recreating it in stunning miniature detail. Even the ignition system is functional. These spark plugs will provide the fire needed to bring this tiny V12 engine to life. The fuel system is meticulously routed. We use specialized miniature injectors to deliver a precise mist of fuel into each of the 12 cylinders. Exhaust flow is tuned for sound. These headers are designed to produce that signature high-pitched scream that the Revuelto is famous for, feeding the beast. We use a special nitro-methane blend to ensure the engine starts reliably and produces enough power to move the car. Before it goes into the car, we must bench test it. This ensures that the oil pressure and cooling systems are working perfectly under load. The first start is always nerve-wracking. The electric starter engages, spinning the crankshaft and building the compression needed for internal combustion. It's alive. Listen to that incredible V12 roar. To hear such a powerful sound coming from something so small is truly mind-blowing. The RPMs are climbing. This engine can reach over 15,000 revolutions per minute, producing a mechanical symphony that any gearhead would love. The thermal signature shows even heat distribution. Our cooling system is working efficiently, keeping the miniature V12 within its safe operating temperatures. Test successful. With 1,500 components working in harmony, this engine is ready to be transplanted into its carbon fiber home. Now for the Revuelto's party piece, the scissor doors. We use high-torque microservos to replicate the iconic upward opening motion perfectly, smooth and majestic. The timing of the doors is programmed to match the real car, creating an authentic entry experience even at 1:5 scale. The interior is just as luxurious as the exterior. We are using genuine Italian leather to upholster the racing seats for maximum realism. Every detail counts. From the stitching on the seats to the positioning of the headrests, we are leaving no stone unturned in this cabin. The dashboard actually glows. We integrated micro-OLED screens to display realistic telemetry, bringing the cockpit to life with vibrant light and color. Even the steering wheel is a masterpiece. It's fully functional and connected to the steering rack, allowing for remote-controlled navigation on the track. The attention to detail is staggering. We even included the iconic red flip cover for the start button, a signature element of the Lamborghini brand. To handle the speed, we need a real suspension. These miniature hydraulic shocks are adjustable, allowing us to tune the car's handling for the track. The damping is perfect. This setup will ensure the car stays planted during high-speed cornering and remains stable over minor bumps on the road. Anti-roll bars are added for cornering stability. It's a true-to-life mechanical setup that mimics the handling characteristics of a full-scale supercar. A pop of color. These yellow brake calipers will sit behind the wheels, providing a striking contrast to the dark carbon fiber bodywork. The final assembly begins. We are joining the main monocoque with the engine subframe using high-strength titanium screws for maximum structural rigidity. The heart meets the body. Installing the engine requires surgical precision to ensure the drive shaft aligns perfectly with the four-wheel drive system. Every bolt is torqued to spec. At these RPMs, vibration is the enemy, so every connection must be rock solid to prevent mechanical failure, the nervous system of the car. We route the wiring carefully to keep the interior clean while powering the lights, servos, and ignition system. Aerodynamics are vital. The rear diffuser isn't just for looks. It's designed to manage airflow and provide downforce at high miniature speeds. The face of the Revuelto takes shape. The front bumper and headlight assemblies are fitted, giving the car its menacing and futuristic stare. We apply a final polish to the carbon fiber. This brings out the deep weave and protects the resin from scratches and environmental damage. The wheels are the finishing touch. These are custom milled from aluminum and wrapped in soft, high-grip rubber tires for maximum traction. Obsessive attention to detail is what sets this build apart. Every surface is cleaned and inspected before we move to the final testing phase. The lighting system is stunning. The Y-shaped DRLs are a direct tribute to the real Lamborghini Revuelto, making it unmistakable even in the dark. Rear visibility is just as sharp. The LED taillights and the illuminated logo add a level of realism that is rarely seen in scale models. Active aero in full effect. The rear wing adjusts its angle based on the speed, just like the real car, to optimize performance and stability. The masterpiece is complete. After thousands of hours of work, our 1:5 scale Lamborghini Revuelto stands as a testament to engineering and passion. Even the parts you don't see are perfect. The underbody is fully enclosed to improve airflow, housing the complex mechanical heart of the machine. A moment of pride. This is more than a model. It's a functional, high-performance miniature supercar ready to take on the track. It's time for the ultimate test. We brought the Revuelto to a custom-built miniature track to see what it can really do. Full throttle. The V12 engine responds instantly, sending power to all four wheels as the car launches off the line with incredible force. Look at it go. The scale speed is breathtaking. It carves through the air with the same predatory grace as the full-size Lamborghini. Handling is on point. The hydraulic suspension and anti-roll bars work together to keep the car stable through the most challenging turns. Controlled aggression. The four-wheel drive system allows for a perfect balance of grip and drift, making it a joy to drive at the limit. The sound is intoxicating. That miniature V12 scream is a pure mechanical symphony that fills the air with the spirit of Sant Agata Bolognese. Fire from the pipes. The rich fuel mixture and high exhaust temperatures create real backfires, adding an extra layer of visceral excitement. The active aerodynamics are doing their job, keeping the rear end planted as the car reaches its top speed on the straight. What a lift. The tuned dampers soak up the impact, keeping the carbon fiber body from bottoming out on the track surface. Agility is key. The low center of gravity provided by the carbon fiber chassis makes this one of the most capable scale cars ever built. Experience the speed from the driver's perspective. At this height, 60 kilometers per hour feels like 300, providing a truly immersive sensation.
Drop the car, let's go.
Bringing it back in. Even at idle, the engine sounds incredible, a testament to the thousands of hours spent on its mechanical design. A grand entrance every time. The automatic doors are the perfect way to conclude a successful high-speed run on the track. The tires held up beautifully. The wear patterns show that our suspension geometry is perfectly aligned for maximum performance and grip. From 3D printing to the roar of the V12, this journey has been a dream come true for any fan of engineering and supercars. Dream big, build small. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. We hope this inspires you to start your own masterpiece.